Today I'll be unboxing the Disney Characters Folding Fans Mystery Pins. These were released in September of 2024 and are available in the parks for $22.99 per box, and there are 2 pins in each box. This is an open edition collection, so it could be around for quite a while if it's popular. So the pin designs feature Disney characters with a fan kind of right in front of their mouth. So it is a 10-pin collection, and the pin designs that we can get are Stitch, Donald, Winnie the Pooh, Goofy, Chip, Daisy, Pluto, Mickey, Dale, and Minnie. So let's open them up, see what we get. So I have 5 boxes here to open up, which is 10 pins total. I don't really have a favorite that I'm looking for here. I kind of like them all, and so my goal is just to get as many unique ones as possible. I did get these from the Disney store, and they were $19.99 per box, so a little bit cheaper than in the parks. But I know by the time you see this video, they'll most likely be sold out at the Disney store. So let's see what we have here. We got our 2 black bags, and our first pin is, we have Dale. So we have Dale, and he has a yellow and blue fan in front of his mouth. You got their little hands down here on the fan. That is pretty cool. Looks like it could just be the lighting in here, but it looks like it's almost a gold tone finish from the back. Maybe. Very cool. So we have Dale. So now we need to get Chip. Can't have one without the other, right? All right. Pin 2. We have. Looking at the back, I don't know if you can figure out much from the back. Oh, I do see a little something out of the top. That might be Donald. It is Donald. The thing I was seeing was a little piece that sticks off his hat. So we have Donald Duck here. He has his blue hat, and then his fan is yellow with little red design on it. There's a little white hand underneath there. So we got started with Dale and Donald. Dale and Donald both start with the D. All right. Box number 2. Let's see how we do here. And this one, I wasn't sure what you could tell from the back, but I can tell. I can tell which one this is, and it is Winnie the Pooh. Just from the back, you just see this kind of a thick head with the 2 little round ears on the top. So Winnie the Pooh has a light blue fan with a reddish, maybe orange red design in it, and it looks like the designs on the fan are all the same. So the fans are just different colors. But yeah, it looks like they're all got the same little design on them. Pin 4, we have, I see some big mouse ears. We have Minnie Mouse. So we have Minnie. She has her red bow, and her fan, of course, is red with white details. Very nice. Okay, let's move into box 3. How we do. And this pin is, it's upside down. I don't think we have this one. It is Daisy. We have Daisy with her pink bow, and then her fan is purple with a light pink details to it. All right. And the next one is, wow, from the back, this looks like another one we don't have. This one is Chip. Yay, we got Chip and Dale. So we have Chip. He's got the black nose, and his fan is basically the opposite of Dale. So his fan is blue with the yellow details, where Dale has the yellow fan with the blue details. Very cool. All right. Doing good. Let's see if we can keep it up. The more you go, the harder it gets, right? So we have, right now we have 6 out of the 10. So I think my goal was to get at least 7, right? And looking at the back of this one, I don't think we have this one either. And it is Goofy. So we have Goofy with his green hat, and his fan is orange with some blue, like a light blue on it. So 7 out of 10. I'm liking this unboxing. This is great. So our next one, ooh, this one looks familiar. I think we might have our first double here. And we do. It is another Dale. So going all the way back to the first box there. So now we cannot complete the collection, correct? My math is correct there, because this is a 10-pin collection and we only had 10 tries. But hey, if I finish with 7 out of 10, that's pretty good. Okay, let's see how we finish. We have, oh, I think this might be another Dale. It's not, but it's Chip. So we have another Chip. So we have 2 sets of Chip and Dale. And what did, he came with Daisy. So if this is a duplicate box, it would be Daisy. But let's get Mickey, right? I don't have Mickey or Stitch. Oh, but no, it is a duplicate box because it is Daisy. So we did get 1 duplicate box there, but 7 out of the 10, I cannot complain about that. That's really good. So those were the Disney character folding fans mystery pins. Let me know down in the comments which one was your favorite out of these 7. It was really hard to pick a favorite for me because these types of pins, they're all very similar. It's pretty much the same pin, they just have a different character's head on top of the folding fan. So I had to take a different angle to find a favorite here, and what I found was I picked my favorite fan color. And my favorite fan color and my favorite pin in this collection is Chip, because Chip is the same color as the Los Angeles Chargers, which is my favorite football team. So if you look, man, Chip fits really good with this hat. You put him right on that hat and it's almost the exact same colors as the blue and the bolt. So that is my favorite pin out of this collection. So this was a great unboxing for me, getting 7 out of the 10, and I only got 3 doubles. So I am only missing 3, and the 3 pins that I'm missing are Stitch, Pluto, and Mickey. So those are the 3 pins I wasn't able to show you today. But thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.